Friends, today hand sanitizers is very essential and it is needed because of the coronavirus outbreak. So here I will just tell you how to prepare hand sanitizers, and it is the very unique process and highly recommended process. So friends, you can just see what is our aim. So the hand sanitizers are mainly used for coronavirus outbreak, to kill the coronavirus, you can say. So today it is very shortage in the markets, and the demand of this hand sanitizer is very huge, and the prices were also exceeded. So I think in many medical stores it is available and twice and thrice than the actual price, and there is a no standard process which is available on the market which were made. So the most important thing is that the product must contain the 60 to 80% of alcohol. So alcohol based sanitizers we are preparing here. So how our sanitizers work? So our sanitizer should have efficiency of 99.99 percentage of killing of germs, so that it can just reduce the infections. And we are preparing the alcohol based sanitizers, because mostly in many sanitizers the alcohol were different percentage, but according to WHO norms, which percent of alcohol is very good for hand sanitizers, we will have to tell you. And here these alcohols, why alcohols were very important? Because these alcohols were dissolved on the outer coating of bacteria and viruses, and which can remove bacteria and viruses and kill the germs. And because of the actual has unique polar in nature, and alcohol disturb the lipid and protein based molecules, therefore these sanitizers alcohol based were very preferred in the market. So there are the two main methods for the preparation of hand sanitizers according to WHO norms. We are strictly following the WHO norms, and here you can just say in the method number one, here we have to use ethanol based sanitizers. The purity of ethanol is very important. You can just say 96 percentage of ethanol, and hydrogen peroxide, that is 3%, glycerol is 98%, and rest amount is distilled water. You can just boil the water for 10 to 20 minutes, and you can just make it cool down, and you can use that cold water. So how to prepare for 10 liters? This is the standard process for preparation of 10 liters hand sanitizers. So ethanol should be 8333 ml, hydrogen peroxide, the amount is 417 ml, and glycerol is 145 ml. So and rest part is water part in 10 liter. Similarly, there is the method 2. In place of ethanol, here we are taking the isopropyl alcohol. The purity of isopropyl alcohol also matters. So 99.8 percentage it should be there. So you can just think that the hydrogen peroxide and glycerol, and this three part is as it is in method number 1. You can just see these were common in method number 1 and method number 2. So you can how to prepare this method number 2. So first you have to just take isopropyl alcohol, that is 7515 ml, hydrogen peroxide 417 ml, glycerol 145 ml, and this is for 10 liter preparations, and rest part is water part. So you can just think about in 100 ml, suppose you want to prepare hand sanitizers. So what is the approximate quantity of this ethanol, hydrogen peroxide, and glycerol and distilled waters? So here is the actual percentage. The ethanol is 80 ml. You can say per 100 ml. Per 100 ml, here this is per 100 ml. So ethanol should be 80 ml, hydrogen peroxide is near to 1.5 ml, glycerol is 0.1 ml, and distilled water rest part, that is 18.4 ml. And you can just see many companies or many private limiteds were making sanitizers, were adding different product also, just like many were adding additional antiseptic, just like many companies were adding aloe vera and ammonium derivatives. Similarly, some were adding the extra amount of hydrogen peroxide to eliminate the germs. And you can just say the many companies, industries were adding the extra means they just goes to reduce the skin dryness. So according to the color of skin, the sensitiveness of skins, irritations, they were adding the different flavors. Similarly, some companies were adding the extra amount or little amount of distilled water. Some were adding the different colors. So there are different colors also of sanitizers is available on the markets, and fragrance is also there. Some were adding the different fragrance. Thanks. Please share it in your friends.